If you sell on Etsy or use Printify for your print-on-demand shop, this is huge news. Printify just released their biggest update of the year. Customer image uploads and live product previews are now available for Etsy sellers. And this is a huge game changer. It's going to completely change how we handle personalized products. Personalized products are the top selling listings within Etsy. Customers love seeing their name, their photo, or their design on the product before they actually purchase it. Sometimes, sure, they will just purchase it and like cross their fingers and hope for the best that it turns out the way they want it. But I've been selling personalized products for years, and many times people will reach out saying that they want to see an example of what the product will look like before they purchase it. So then I have to spend minutes to an hour making a mock-up photo and sending it to them and waiting and twiddling my thumbs to hope that they buy it. And it's a big waste of time, right? Well, now with this new update, you don't have to manually manage it like this anymore. With this new Printify update, your customers can customize their own product, preview it live, and then it will automatically send their design to their order within Printify. This is a total game changer for the print-on-demand space. And if this sounds a little bit confusing, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean and exactly how it works right now. So first within Printify, you are going to come down here to personalization picks. And here's a quick look at all of the products currently supporting personalization. So you'll find mugs, apparel, phone cases, and so much more. Let's just click into mugs here. And then we are going to start designing. And then over here on the toolbar, you'll see the new feature to personalize. You're able to add personalizable text and or a personalizable image, and you can layer the two if you would like. There's also templates that you can use to tweak to however you would like. So first, let's add a personalizable text, and let's just say I'm gonna do besties, and we can change the text by coming up here to font. There are many options to switch this to. I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to bring this down and center it. And then you're going to come back to personalize and add an example image. I'm just using this one of my husband and I, but if you don't want to use one of your personal images, you can find plenty of free stock photos online. You can also change the color of the font by clicking on the font and coming up here to the color wheel. You can change it to whatever you would like. You can also use the dropper to grab colors from within the image to change it to match the image better. So when the customer orders it, this image will be swapped out with theirs, and this text will be swapped out with whatever customized text that they wanted to put in there. So the next part is really important. You're going to save the product, and then within the listing in Printify, you're going to come down to this personalization part and make sure that these two boxes are filled out. They should be filled out from Printify already, and if you don't like what it says, you can change the directions to exactly how you would like it, but I think that it's just fine the way Printify has it. And then you would publish this to your Etsy shop. And then within Etsy, when the person's about to purchase this, they will see personalization. Copy the link below to a new tab to personalize your product and preview the design. So they're going to copy this link and paste it into a new URL, and then they will choose start personalizing, and they will add their own image here, and then they'll add their text, whatever that might be. Then they will click continue, save design, and then they will copy this code and they will come back and they will paste it right here and add to cart. The best part, that design shows up automatically in your Printify order with the customer's photo or text already attached. So no more chasing down customers for their images or email attachments. This is huge for Etsy and print-on-demand sellers because personalized listings consistently rank as best sellers within Etsy. Buyers love customization, and now you can offer a seamless process for yourself and the buyer. So if you've been hesitant to list personalized products on Etsy, let me tell you that it's never been easier. Now is the time to start. So head to your Printify ASAP and test out this new product and let me know in the comments how it works out for you. By the way, if you are struggling to make sales on Etsy, don't panic. Most Etsy sellers just need to make a few small tweaks to turn things around. And that's why I offer detailed Etsy shop reviews that will walk you through the things that you are doing right, the things that might be holding you back, how you can fix those things, and of course a bunch of golden nuggets along the way. If you would like more details on my Etsy shop reviews, in the comments just comment shop review and I will send you more details your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. And if you need a tutorial on how to see how to do these step by step, the whole listing process and the design process and the mock-ups, because I know it's a lot if you're new here, I actually have a free step-by-step course. I will link it in the description below. It will hold your hand through the whole setup process. I'm going to continue sharing more print-on-demand tutorials and Etsy tips, so follow along and I'll see you in the next video.